Tech 3. So this is third tech. Hello everyone, this is Isaac. Today we are going to talk about something that many new traders wonder about, but very few people clearly explain. So here in Forex Factory, there's a question some users ask. For example, this: Hi all, how does demo trade affect on market? I have a feeling that demo trade have big impact on market. If demo trade is really a market where broker paying for you, my friends and myself, when we were trading on demo trade, we had 50,000 account by which we was placing trades. Think how many new traders do demo trade, and maybe they put more trade than live trade, which may impact on currency move. Does anybody have same feelings in area? So many users ask this kind of questions, but some people think this may be a dumb question to ask. But around the world, as you know, thousands, maybe even millions of traders are practicing on demo accounts every day. But here's the real question: do demo traders actually affect the Forex market? And are their trades really entering the market, or are they just simulated inside the simulated account or inside the broker? So if demo traders are not real orders in the market, how do the traders, specifically the demo traders, learn from demo trading? So in this video we are going to break it down step by step so that you can really understand how demo trading really works. So let's get into it. So we will be seeing a few slides, probably 8 or 9 slides on this presentation. So as we have already mentioned, this will be about do demo traders affect the Forex market. So the additional breakdown for traders by myself. So the big question. So we have already discussed that millions of traders practice using demo accounts worldwide. But can demo traders influence price movement? So if demo traders are not real, can traders still learn effectively? This is the big question, the first bullet. Why? Because if the demo orders were not real, how can they react from the market? How can their orders be incorporated into the real capital so that the market will result in a real shift? So this is the big question. A demo account is a simulated trading environment provided by brokers. It uses real-time market prices but virtual money. You will not be using a real money on demo trading. And orders placed in the demo accounts are executed internally by the broker's simulation system. So there is what we call a broker, which goes midway between you and the interbank market. So it's like what we call a mediator. Yeah. So do demo traders affect the Forex market? No, absolutely not. Demo traders do not reach the real interbank Forex market. They remain inside the broker simulation environment. Even millions of demo trades cannot move the real market price, period. So who actually moves the market? Central banks. major commercial banks, hedge funds, and institutional investors, multinational corporations, and retail traders. The last one, retail traders, represent a very small portion of total forex volume. So these are the big players in the forex market. So demo trading versus real market flow. So here we see demo trader, we have broker simulation server, and we have here real forex market. So when you enter a trade using a fake money, which we call you as a demo trader, it will stay in the broker simulation server. It will never reach the real forex market. So if demo trades don't affect price, can you still learn? This is the big question we asked at the start of this presentation. So the answer is absolutely yes. Trading education comes from analyzing price behavior, not moving the market. This is a very big lesson. In fact, this is the best statement you'll ever get in trading Forex. And what is that? You'll never ever move the market even if you are in the real account, let alone demo account. Why? As we have mentioned here, these are the big players in the market, and your contribution as a real live account will be just a drop in the ocean. So you'll never ever move the market. This is the big lesson you'll ever get for just to be successful in the Forex journey. This is also a big lesson for myself as well. I will repeat it. Trading education comes from analyzing price behavior, not moving the market. Period. So what traders will do is, this will work for both demo traders and for live traders as well, which for traders who use real money to trade Forex. So both traders observe patterns, structure, and reactions to economic events. So demo accounts allow safe strategy testing without financial risk. This is the benefit of demo account. So since even the live or the real account itself cannot move the market, so this will give you an opportunity. Demo account give you an opportunity because it will allow you a safe strategy testing without risking real money. So what demo trading helps you learn is understanding price action and market structure, testing trading strategy safely, learning risk management, practicing discipline and execution, building emotional control before trading real money. These 5 points are big points. You can test your strategy safely without risking your real money. And you can practice how you execute your trades, something like that. This is the big benefit of demo trading. So key insights, what are the important points for you to understand is the goal of demo trading is not to move the market. The goal is to learn how the market moves. Period. So by observing real price data, traders build skills for live trading. So when you observe the forex movements over and over and over and over again, you will learn how the market moves, and you will develop enough confidence and patience to go into real or live account where you will risk your real money. So the final takeaway is demo traders do not inflame the forex market, but demo trading remains one of the most powerful tools for learning. It allows you to practice strategy, discipline, and execution, and it will allow you to train yourself before risking your real money out of your pocket. So the key takeaway will be summarized at this, and remember that demo traders stay inside the broker simulation system and never reach the global interbank market. But that doesn't mean demo trading is useless. In fact, demo trading is one of the best ways to learn how the market behaves. So the goal of demo trading is not to move the market. You should always remember that. The goal is to learn how the market moves. So if you found this explanation helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear forex education and the real trading insights. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. So subscribe to see the mask come off. I'll be a little bit dropping my mask off and the thumbnail of this video, which you can recheck it by opening it again. See ya.